Honeybuggle Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how I clean my wood burning cook stove, the top of it. And my husband prefers to use Gibbs brand. It penetrates and also lubricates the top of the wood burning cook stove. So I'm removing the thermostat and the lid lifter, and then all you do is spray. It's real dusty, and we've been getting the stove ready for operating it this winter. So I'm going to give it a good spray. And then I'm gonna just really rub down the surface, get all the dust off. Now this is a Kitchen Queen, and we used it one whole winter, and it is able to heat our entire house, upstairs, downstairs, and I'm able to cook on it. So this will soak in. See, as you can see, it took off a lot of the old grease and everything. But this will give it a nice coating, and it'll soak in. So there you have it. Now, when my husband lights the stove, he likes to use his blowtorch. He's a metal shaper, and he likes to use a blowtorch. I prefer using these little pre-soaked sticks. I think it's called fat wood. So I use these, a couple of these, and I just light it. But this will protect the wood stove top, and it really doesn't have any kind of an odor. And we do keep the kettle completely filled with water all winter. Keeps the house moist with steam coming out. And I still haven't made a pot of coffee on that, but I definitely will. And it is helpful to have a thermostat on the outside. So we keep that right over here, over the oven area. All right, so the stove is ready to go. We won't be using it for another couple of weeks until the temperature really drops, but this is really good stuff. All right, thanks.